Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin access and locating the Bitlocker recovery key. This is essential because decryption without it can be impossible. Once done, open Settings or Control Panel and navigate to Bitlocker Drive Encryption to begin. Make sure the device is plugged into power and not in the middle of updates, since interruptions can corrupt data. You're initiating a disk operation, so verify free disk space and run a quick health check to avoid surprises before you proceed with turning off Bitlocker. Now you disable Bitlocker either through the graphical interface or command line. In Settings, click Turn off Bitlocker for the encrypted drive and confirm. Windows will start decrypting and show progress. Alternatively, open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell and run Manage BDE off C. To begin decryption via CLI, use Manage BDE status to monitor %complete. You do this because the GUI is simple, but the CLI gives clearer logging and control, so pick the method that matches your confidence and auditing needs. Finish by confirming decryption reaches 100%. Do not reboot or modify partitions mid-process because that risks data loss. If the operation stalls, open Event Viewer for Bitlocker logs, run chkdsk/f to repair file system errors, and retry decryption. If a drive locks, unlock it with your recovery key. Use Manage BDE Unlock D. Recovery key, then run Manage BDE off D. To continue, make sure you keep the recovery key safe. It's the fallback if Windows can't complete the automated removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.